Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Vlogmas Day 3. It's a rare day today. It's so loud out here. Hopefully you guys can hear me okay. It's me and my son. Anyway, Sam's about to go get a haircut, and we're in this cute little part of town called Argenta. It's like a little mini downtown. Our town doesn't have that many people. So we're in Argenta today, and there's like a taco truck across the road and some really cute like places where you can see some murals. And so I might walk around out here and take some pictures and take you guys along with me to get some tacos, maybe some coffee while we're waiting for him to come out of the barbershop. But just another day in the life, living the best life. Sam's got like a cold or something, he keeps sneezing, but anyway, here we go. Say hi, Jay.
What's up, y'all?
He locked up too. I'm gonna get the back of his hair, but he's getting Sam hooked up. Last time he got his hair cut, I don't know who cut his hair, but he was like, "Mom, he cut my hair like a white boy." That's what he said, and it looked like that little kind of like it go up higher than you do it. Like he had it like up here, you know. So then he's like, "I don't like it. I don't like it." You gonna say hi, Sam?
Yeah, I keep the both in there.
Yeah.
Sam know what kind of cut
he come a long way. See the back. Follow Jay on Instagram.
Oh yeah, follow
Jay
me.
Meal Ticket.
Okay.
I don't know what he posts on there, so I hope it ain't nothing bad while I'm telling y'all to follow. But
Jay Meal Ticket Cuts. If you want to see straight haircuts, Jay Meal Ticket Cuts.
I'm gonna go around your head so they can see your locks.
Okay.
He's got fine hair too. These are traditional locks, but small. He don't know how many he has, right?
No, yeah, I don't know how many. My beautician said it's bad luck, but I'm gonna get her to count them. I think she was a lady.
Yeah, you need to know how many there are. Or you can count them. We're just talking about fine hair struggles with locks. And I wanted to show y'all Sam's cuts. It looks really good. You like it, Sam?
I can see it.
He can't see it. Well, that's an honest answer. You look handsome, Sam. Look at you, Sam. Look at you, Sam. I like your haircut. You want to smile? Look at me. He's like, but my switch. Okay, I'll leave you alone. So Sam and I were supposed to go to get a snack together, but he decided that he would rather go get his sister. So we're here picking up Noah Grace, and then we're gonna go get a little bit of snack. It's only like 4 something, since we'll have dinner late tonight. These retainers are gonna get the best of me, y'all. I feel like I'm talking so funny. I probably am, but we're gonna go get Noah Grace, and then he said he wanted to go, maybe we'll get a Frosty from Wendy's or something like that, and then go home and get bashed and stuff while I get dinner ready. And yeah, so we had so much fun. Did you have fun with me, Sam?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's such a little dude now. He's turned 6 years old, and he doesn't really care for mom as much as he cares for dad now, but I still love him though. So we're gonna go get Noah Grace, and we'll catch up with you guys at our next destination. We ended up at the park today. I feel bad because we are day 2 of eating at a fast food restaurant. We normally don't do this, but anyway, the kids wanted to come to the park. It feels like we're rebels out here eating fast food 2 days in a row, and we're eating fast food 2 days in a row, and at the park after dark, but it's literally like 5:10, which is crazy. So we're gonna eat our well, they're eating some chicken nuggets, and I'm gonna let them play until it's actually completely dark, even though the sun's setting so quickly. It's a nice little playground about 2 seconds from our house, and then we're gonna go home. But I don't know, they need to be out. It's you don't want to go home and stay cooped up in the dark, so we try to stay out as long as we can on some days and play even though it gets dark. And hopefully Sam had a good day, good afternoon with his mama. You come say hi, Sam? Did you have fun with me today?
Yep.
Yeah, so anyway, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Vlogmas Day 3.
Say hi,
We out.
I didn't say hi.
You want to say hi?